Millions of people worldwide live with blindness or severe vision loss. Technology is racing to restore sight, and scientists are exploring ways to bring light back into darkness, not with miracles but with science. Blindness comes in many forms. Some people lose vision because of retinal diseases, like macular degeneration or retinitis pigmentosa. Others lose their sight when the optic nerve is damaged, through glaucoma or injury. And sometimes the eyes themselves are healthy, but the brain cannot process visual information. This is called cortical blindness, often caused by stroke, injury, or brain surgery. For example, patients who have undergone occipital lobe surgery may lose peripheral vision or even half of their visual field. Because blindness has many causes, researchers are developing a variety of technologies to restore vision, each designed to address a different part of the visual pathway. Bionic eyes are one approach. Devices like the II or the PRIMA system replace damaged photoreceptors with microelectrodes that stimulate the retina directly. Patients can see light, shapes, and even simple objects. These implants are currently most effective for retinal diseases, and while the vision is pixelated and limited, it is life-changing for those who had little or no sight. Some researchers are skipping the eye entirely and stimulating the visual cortex directly. Early trials at institutions in Spain and the United States have allowed patients to perceive basic shapes and flashes of light. This approach, sometimes called neural vision, has the potential to restore sight even for those with damaged eyes or optic nerves. Other devices bypass the optic nerve itself. These implants decode signals from a camera or sensor and relay them to the brain, helping people whose optic nerves have been damaged by trauma or disease. Though still experimental, these systems are showing promise in restoring partial vision. Gene therapy and cell regeneration are also advancing rapidly. Treatments like Luxturna and experimental stem cell therapies aim to repair damaged retinal cells. By restoring the retina's natural function, these approaches could give patients clearer, more natural vision. Finally, sensory substitution devices transform sight into other senses, like touch or sound. The BrainPort device, for example, sends visual information to the tongue, while the VoICE system converts camera input into soundscapes. The brain learns to interpret these signals, creating new ways to perceive the world even when the eyes no longer work. No single cure exists yet, but step by step, science is bringing light back into darkness. Which of these futuristic vision technologies excites you the most? Comment below and join the conversation about the future of sight. Subscribe now for more insights.